So here I am, waking up for the first time as unemployed. Most of you must know me for my Blender tutorials and sci-fi creations, but this was not my full-time job. Until now, I was working as a web developer. I've been working on my own company aside my full-time job, and now it's time to go all in my company. So let me explain what it means for you, the channel, and everything around it. First of all, the channel will be very active. I will have a lot of time to prepare and shoot the videos. I will try to publish a video once a week. I will keep uploading tutorials on Blender and also more vloggy videos like this one to keep you updated on what's going on. By the way, if you like this type of video, let me know in the comments. I would like to share what I know through technical tutorials like I used to do. As for the vloggy videos I was mentioning, it will be more to explain how I work, how I organize and prepare for projects related to 3D. In the future, I would like also to talk about 3D topics. It could be movie breakdown, new software, you name it. Before I do all of this, I would like to know what you want to see and what you think is missing in the 3D YouTube sphere. Please let me know in the comments. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss this exciting adventure.